Hello and welcome to this presentation about managing secure hybrid cloud services with BMC software and Automate IT. My name is Christian Winkelbauer and I would like to walk you through Leon, our solution for managing hybrid cloud services. What we see today in our customers' environments is complexity. The yellow guy has to manage public cloud services, the green guy needs to manage on-premise Windows, and the orange guy needs to manage on-premise Linux services. They all need to provision servers, they need to compliance check existing servers, and they need to patch servers that are in the cloud and in a private data center. They're all using their own tools, and this creates a lot of complexity and very often leads to poor examples and a lot of manual work. How cool would it be if there was one solution that manages all of those processes across all the technology silos from a single point? It should be able to talk about companies and tenants and manage a multi-tenant concept. Should manage orange and blue companies in this example, and each company should be able to set up their own tenants who could have their own types of hypervisors, resource providers, and it shouldn't matter if it's private cloud or if it's public cloud, and they should all be separated from each other. Leon, our solution that manages the services across private and public cloud, is capable of doing that. In this example, we'll walk you through the process of provisioning new services, all specific for the blue company or the green company or the red company. There is service catalog with predefined services and predefined a catalog that can be used to request new services from a self-service portal. After executing the request, the automation platform Leon will automatically execute the pre-provisioning steps, calculate host names, create an approval, in this case to a BMC ITSM solution, then provision the infrastructure, set up software, run the post-provisioning actions that make the infrastructure secure and ready for operation. And last but not least, also run the integrations into existing environments, meaning document the change, update the CMDB, potentially trigger a discovery run, integrate the new server into monitoring, backup, recovery, virus scan, and other solutions. Last but not least, set up the server for patching, compliance, and vulnerability management, which is automatically done by Leon and the automation solutions from BMC software, and allow end users to trigger their own day 2 activities like changing size of the server, adding capacity, taking snapshots, or deprovision the servers in full self-service mode. For patching, it is a very similar process. It needs to work specific for the company so that the company or the tenant can execute patching in self-service mode. It needs to address all operating systems. It needs to address applications where possible. And the cool thing is that it should run the process end-to-end, including the installation of the patches itself, some checks before to increase the success rate, and some post-patching activities like making sure that the patch has been applied, again documenting the same in a change, send out notifications, and present the results in a nice graphical user interface in a dashboard. Same happens for compliance. The process needs to run end-to-end. It needs to automatically check hundreds or thousands of rules on hundreds of thousands of servers of that specific company, show the results in a dashboard, but also lets you run automated remediation on selective targets, approval-based, and document everything in a change after it has been completed. We do see those 3 environments in an integrated automation circle. Provisioning a server needs to make sure that it is automatically integrated into patching and compliance management. Patching needs to make sure that the servers are secured, latest patches are being applied, and it needs to happen for new servers as well as for existing servers. And compliance needs to be monitored and enforced not only on day one, but also throughout the life cycle of the server itself. If you like the solution, if you like what you have been presented today, we would love to engage with you in a POC. And this is really a phenomenal experience for new customers. On day one, we'll install the software and make sure that everything is up and running. We will connect to your hypervisor typically to then onboard company and tenant by setting it up in the graphical user interface and get the servers into the platform automatically at the click of a button. We will be able to show you some results for patching and compliance in nice graphical dashboards on day two, and we'll be able to provision servers end to end based on a predefined service catalog, which we bring to the platform or with the platform on day three. If you like the solution, please contact us and stay tuned for more information to come. Thank you very much.